Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is the backbone of modern business. Let's look at how it helps companies track and grow their client base. Think of a CRM as a digital Rolodex on steroids. It is software that stores every interaction you have with a customer in one place. Most businesses now use some form of CRM to avoid losing track of clients, because a disorganized database is a massive hidden cost. A good CRM captures everything from initial contact to post-purchase support, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. While spreadsheets work for a tiny list, they fail as you scale. A CRM automates the busy work that manual tracking simply cannot handle. Data shows that teams using a centralized CRM spend far less time hunting for information and more time actually closing deals. Remember, the tool is only as good as the data you put into it. Keep your records clean to get the most value. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more basics on business and finance. See you next time.